South Dakota Attorney General Jason Ravnsborg facing 3 misdemeanors as a result of an accident where he struck and killed Joe Beaver of Highmore. This happened a couple of months back.
However, the question of if Ravnsborg will hold on to office the remainder of his term is now up for debate. Austin Goss is at the state capitol and has more on efforts to remove Ravnsborg. Good evening, Austin.
Good evening, Brian and Kelsey. Ravnsborg was charged with 3 misdemeanors last Thursday, but now he's in the crosshairs of members of his own party. Representative Tim Goodwin of Rapid City was the first Republican legislator to call for the Attorney General's resignation.
But it's a sad day. But we need to move forward as a state. We need to do what's best for the citizens of South Dakota. So that's why I'm asking or recommending to our Attorney General to resign his post immediately so the state can move on, the governor can appoint a new Attorney General, and we can get this behind us.
Ravnsborg says he doesn't plan on resigning, but it may not be up to him. There's grumblings among lawmakers that the legislature may move to impeach Ravnsborg.
I think that it hasn't been fully determined exactly what happened, and I don't think that the Attorney General has been held accountable for his actions. So I wouldn't be opposed to further action by the legislature.
In order to impeach a sitting elected official, the State House would have to get a simple majority of the representatives. However, in order to get a conviction in the state Senate, that body would have to get 2/3 of the members elect.
I'm a personal friend of Jason's. This is no malice, vendetta. In fact, it's very sad that I have to ask this, but I strongly recommend that you resign today.
The Attorney General has been defiant against calls that he resign from office, reaffirming earlier today that he has no intention of doing so. However, sources familiar with the situation tell me that it's likely the articles of impeachment are introduced tomorrow. In Pierre, Austin Goss, Dakota News Now.
Austin, thank you. If the State House moved to remove Ravnsborg, it would be a first. The South Dakota legislature has never voted to impeach a constitutional officer. Taking a closer look at Ravnsborg's statement, a spokesperson released this statement today saying he does not intend to resign and that he hasn't received documentation related to the case yet. The statement added investigators went above and beyond throughout the process and that he's focused on work at hand for South Dakota. He did not comment on the possibility of impeachment.